is the one that's sinking by any chance? Does anybody know now?
No, the only person at Jolly Gator didn't know who the people were, so I don't know what kind of boat it is.
1026, thank you.
Alright, we got a visual. I see another boat that's headed this way. We're looking to drop down and provide him with some flotation device.
Copy.
One's trying to swim back to shore, and one's near the original boat. In contact with FD on 49 Echo, and we got a visual on them. They're almost 97. They're going to get to the one that's closer to shore, because he's by himself. Right, rescue boat on the water's got a visual on the subject that's near the shore, making contact.
903 alert.
Oh, very good.
Confirming there's still one in the water, correct? Hanging onto the boat.
10-4, rescue FD is in contact with one, and he's on board now. Rescue's got one on board, and we're going to get back to the other one now. FD rescue boat's got a visual on the second subject. Alright, looks like rescue's got both.
I'm 10-5 at both of them, for sure.